Welcome to ExpressTaxExempt, your IRS authorized market leader for 990 forms. Form 8868 application for extension of time to file an exempt organization return is to request an automatic 3-month extension of time to file. You can also use Form 8868 to apply for an additional non-automatic 3-month extension if the original 3-month extension was not enough time. When filing an extension with Form 8868 using ExpressTaxExempt.com, the first thing you will need to do is select which type of form you need to extend. Here you can select from variations of the Form 990 and also some other forms you use by exempt and charitable organizations. If you have any questions about this, you can refer to your previous year's tax return or contact the IRS directly. On the next page, you will need to select your organization's tax year, and here you can choose from the calendar year or alternate fiscal tax year if your organization's fiscal year differs from the calendar year. You can also select if you are filing for the current tax year or previous tax year. For the type of extension, you can select the automatic 3-month tax extension to extend your tax deadline for 3 months from the original due date, or if you've already completed an automatic 3-month extension, you can select the additional non-automatic 3-month extension to extend your filing deadline for an additional 3 months. Please note that if you have not already filed an automatic 3-month extension, you may not file for an additional 3-month extension yet. You must first file the automatic 3-month extension. You will then need to answer a few other questions about your organization, such as whether or not it's a foreign corporation that does not have an office in the US, or if this is a group return, meaning that your organization is a part of a parent group or holiday company. If neither of those apply, you can click Next to move forward. Before you actually e-file with the IRS, you need to provide the information for the signing authority and also enter the information of the business or person who the books are in the care of. So here you can select if it's a business or person and then enter that person's name. After you've entered their information, you can move forward by clicking Next at the bottom, and this will bring it to the summary page. Here you can review all of your information and move forward by clicking Review. On this page, ExpressTaxExempt will perform a quick audit check to make sure all of the information has been entered correctly, and to move forward, you can click Next. You will then be brought to the payment options screen, and after your payment information has been entered, you can review all of your information one last time and then transmit to the IRS by clicking the Pay and Transmit button. If you have any questions regarding your tax-exempt e-filing process, you can contact our dedicated US-based customer support team from our headquarters in Rock Hill, South Carolina at 704-839-2321 or email us at support@expresstaxexempt.com. This video was brought to you by IRS authorized e-file provider ExpressTaxExempt, your premier hub dedicated to providing the best and most efficient e-filing experience for tax-exempt organizations no matter how big or small.